Magandang araw. Ako po si Mark Lester Nilagat. Ito po ang aking daily devotion ngayong December 20. Ano ang response mo kay Jesus? Jesus, the coming King. Na tinalakay po ni Pastor Russell Ocampo sa 365 daily devotion. Ang Bible verse ng araw ay galing sa 2 Samuel chapter 7 verse 12 to 13. Sabi po ay, when your days are over and you rest with your ancestors, I will raise up your offspring to succeed you, and I will establish the throne of His kingdom forever. Grabe kasi this promise wasn't just for David's time. Hindi lang siya tungkol sa isang hari noon. This was pointing forward to Jesus, the promised King. A king na hindi lang mag-ahari for a season, but forever. And when Jesus was born in Bethlehem, hindi lang yun cute Christmas story. That moment marked the arrival of the coming King. Yung hari na matagal nang ipinangako ng Diyos, pero ang tanong ngayon is not just sino si Jesus. Ang tanong is, anong response mo sa Kanya bilang hari? Kasi kapag hari ang dumating, automatic may response agad tayo. You either accept or ignore or i-reject yung rule niya. First teaching is, the King came to fix your life. Aminin natin minsan, feeling natin na tayo ang hari ng sarili nating buhay. Ikaw bahala sa akin, Lord, kaya ko to. I know what's best for me. Pero tignan natin yung reality. Ang daming broken mga decisions, habits, priorities, broken hearts. Jesus didn't come from para lang bigyan ka ng advice. He came to take the throne of your life. Hindi siya tulad ng mga hari sa mundo na namumuno gamit ang takot or force. Jesus reigns with grace and truth. Ibig sabihin, kapag pinapasok mo siya bilang hari, unti-unti niyang inaayos yung mga areas ng buhay mo na matagal mo nang tinago. Yung addiction, yung pride, yung galit, kahit yung confusion sa direksyon ng buhay. Second, the King came to fix your family. When God promised David an eternal kingdom, it started with the family line. That shows us na mahalaga kay God ang pamilya. Maging totoo tayo, maraming pamilya ngayon ang may silent battles, mga miscommunication, emotional distance, unhealed wounds from the past, parents and child na parang strangers na. Jesus came not just to save individuals, but to restore relationships. Hindi ibig sabihin na once you follow Jesus, perfect na agad yung pamilya mo. Pero when Jesus is the King in a home, may pagbabago sa atmosphere. May humility, may forgiveness, may willingness makinig, may grace kahit may pagkukulang. Last, the King came to fix the world. Let's be honest, magulo talaga ang mundo. May mga injustices, corruption, violence, at may suffering. At minsan mapaisip ka, kung hari si Jesus, bakit ganito pa rin? Pero andito ang katotohanan. Jesus' kingdom is not built on worldly power. He didn't come with an army. He came with a mission. The first coming of the King was about salvation. The second coming will be about restoration and justice. Ngayon, Jesus is reigning spiritually, changing hearts, transforming lives, building His kingdom one person at a time. At guess what? When you submit to Him as a King, you become part of His mission. Your kindness, integrity, obedience, and faith. Yun lang.